Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back. So I wanted to come on and show you guys a tape dispenser box that I created. I followed YouTuber Happycrafter on YouTube, and she did a tutorial. So you can jump on over. I'll leave her channel name down below. Jump on over. It's a real cool idea. It's using the foam mounting tape that you pick up at the Dollar Tree, and you just make the box and you can decorate it. I think this is such a cool idea. I'm going to make this one for a crop that I'm going to the end of this month. I think I'm going to give this to the host. I think it'll be a really cute gift. Just really easy to make. I made it with 110-pound white cardstock, and this is one of the embellishments that I created using a rosette and some fibers and some of the Hey Pumpkin puffy stickers. So this collection I picked up, that I covered the box with, I picked it up over on KG Craft. She had a Instagram sale. I love her sales. I have her, by the way, when she posts, the bell rings and I instantly can see what she's selling. But this is the, I guess it's the new Simple Story Simple Vintage October 31st. Beautiful papers, beautiful colors, double-sided. Although I'll say I was a little, the papers seem a little thin, and maybe because I'm dealing with 110-pound and things like that. I just felt that the paper was a little thin, but maybe that's just me. And then I ordered the bits and pieces, which come with 61 ephemera pieces. You can see them all there. So I'm just using them sparingly. But the box is adorable. So if you get a chance to go over to Happycrafter on YouTube, I'm not sure what her Instagram page is. You can find the tutorial to make this tape dispenser box. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye now.